Hey everyone, welcome to Pilot PKXD, the channel where the sky is literally our playground. Look at this masterpiece. They say it's just a game, but honestly, I'm pretty sure I could fly this thing to the moon if the game allowed it. Or, at least to the next neighborhood over. Haha. Anyways, let's take a look at the cockpit. This seat right here, this is for co-pilot. And right next to it, it's for captain, and that's obviously me. I'm still looking for one co-pilot, by the way, so apply at your own risk. Moving on. Now see these instruments, I'm not even going to go into the details because if I start explaining them, we will be here all year and we'll probably never actually get off the ground. Okay fine, now let's have a look of passenger's cabin.
Oh my god, what is that?
Alright, enough stalling. We have got places to be and skies to conquer. Let's head over to the school to kick things off properly and officially introduce our channel to the world. Let's go!
3 hours later.
Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for landing, please fasten your seatbelts and return your seatbacks and tray tables to their full upright and locked position. Thank you and welcome to Atlanta.
Залетели на Патрики, приводи своих папиков, уже выпал первый.
Later.
I want to reach 1 million likes. So please, Okay, thank you.